Do you know? Replacing spark plug at periodic intervals as per recommendation is a must to avoid any problems related to starting or poor acceleration. Also, timely replacement will improve fuel economy and prevents engine misfiring. Inspect the spark plug for any carbon deposits in the gap and clean. If required, replace the spark plug. The spark plug provides high voltage sparks at the right time to burn the air and fuel mixture in an engine to deliver its optimum performance. An average spark plug on operation can produce around 6,000 sparks in a minute and 360,000 sparks in an hour approximately. The spark plug needs to be inspected periodically for the electrode wear, gap, any breakage and spark intensity. Visit the nearest TVS Authorized Service Centre immediately. Do it now to enjoy a smooth ride.